The Lemon Law exists to assist consumers, and California has a 100% free Lemon Law resource that may help you resolve a new vehicle issue and avoid costly litigation. The Arbitration Certification Program connects consumers with certified third-party arbitration services that help resolve vehicle warranty disputes between you and the manufacturer. This is a 100% free, informal process where a neutral arbitrator listens to your side of the story and the manufacturer's offer. It's non-binding. If you're not happy with the arbitrator's decision, you don't have to accept it. But if you do, the manufacturer must perform the arbitrator's decision within 30 days. It's fast. A decision is normally reached within 40 days of a claim being accepted by a certified program. It's easy, and you have the options of an in-person appearance, virtual appearance, or to provide documents only. This process has returned millions of dollars to consumers in the form of refunds, replacement vehicles, extended service contracts, and additional vehicle repairs, all awarded by state-certified arbitration program. Consumers deserve to know there are options outside of litigation, especially one that is 100% free. To see if you might be eligible for free Lemon Law assistance, call 916-574-7350, email acp@dca.ca.gov, or visit our website at www.dca.ca.gov/acp.